Hello, radiant skin lovers. Safflower oil is a light, non-greasy oil pressed from the seeds of the safflower plant. It's rich in linoleic acid, which is a type of omega-6 fatty acid your skin loves. That makes it especially amazing for balancing moisture and supporting clearer, healthier skin. At Shufeti Suds, we choose our ingredients with intention, and safflower oil makes the cut. It's deeply moisturizing without clogging pores, helps maintain your skin's natural barrier, reduces roughness and dryness, can help calm acne prone or sensitive skin. Safflower oil works beautifully on most skin types, especially if your skin is dry, flaky, or irritated. It absorbs quickly, doesn't leave a greasy film, and delivers serious hydration that feels light as air. If you've been curious about why safflower oil keeps popping up on our labels, now you know. It's a carefully chosen skin nourishing powerhouse.